how you can fix the flashing door lock or key symbol on your Bosch washing machine. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, let's understand the symbols. The key symbol means the child lock is on. When it's on, the buttons don't work. The flashing door lock symbol means the machine is trying to lock the door, but there's a problem. So, to turn off the child lock, press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. You should hear a beep and the key symbol will go away. On some Bosch models, you need to press and hold the RPM and finished in buttons together for 3 seconds. If your machine has a touchscreen with a key symbol and it says 3 seconds, just press and hold that spot for 3 seconds. Now, if the door lock symbol is flashing, check if the door is closed properly. Open it and close it again firmly. Sometimes clothes get stuck and stop the door from locking. Make sure nothing is in the way. If that doesn't help, turn off the machine and unplug it from the wall. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. If the symbol still flashes, the filter might be blocked. A blocked filter can stop the water from draining and keep the door locked. Clean the filter to fix this. If you've tried all of this and nothing works, it might be time to call a repair person. There could be something inside the machine that needs expert help. And that's it. That's how you can fix the flashing door lock or key symbol on your Bosch washing machine.